I got the hiccups again. Where did these beds come from?
That's from the bathroom. Because mommy says it's hard to get up on the bed. Because it's soft, you know, the foam.
What are you writing?
That's write my daily journal for English. I skip days, but I just make up those days.
Hello.
I gotta talk to you about why I skipped.
So. Laundry. I was talking to the laundromat owner again. He thought I was a teenager, so I had to go and tell him. 나는 식재 아니요. Was I 식재 아니요? 아니요. And then he asked how old I was. He said I was 20.
Talo tên này.
We're off to Walmart now. Home first. 알았어.
Oh my god. Ai cho về chuột cả ba mấy ngó cả.
Okay, you guys can't even see. Oh, there you go. Look what my mommy made. What is this called, you guys? Caw. There's rice.
Maybe before, oh, you already started putting your rice.
Yeah.
You didn't know that?
What bowl do you want? Something flying high.
Wait, be quiet.
You won't know.
Mickey, be quiet, what? Be quiet, what? What'd you say? Huh? Copycat. Okay, cut. You can continue singing. That's so.
Is it birds?
Ooh. Oh,
You know how
you're
I
doing that.
feel.
Oh. You said sing more than yeah, it's fine.
I love everything here. We're going to go inside Walmart. Walmart. I haven't seen that McDonald's and Walmart for so long. Holy crap. It's so weird. We are in Market Basket and my nose is getting so stuffy. Okay. You can't even see my face. So today I packed lunch for the first time because I need to eat during rehearsal break and stuff. Yeah. And I also put on makeup because I feel a little happy today. I'm going to go right now because I need to drive to school and it's 8:36 and I usually leave at 8:30. It doesn't really make a difference, I guess, but I don't know. Good morning, guys. I switched out the coat that I was wearing, jacket that I was wearing, the bomber jacket that I was wearing for Vanessa's. I'm like stealing out of her closet every single day. My hair looks a little weird. I didn't do anything to it, but yep. Packed my lunch and now I'm just walking to English class. Yep. And I arrived 30 minutes early. Yeah. And it actually feels nice out today. Fries.
Oh.
I'm eating with Rachel
Okay,
some
so I'll meet you at your crib in a
bacon and
little
cheese
bit.
fries. And we got a banana milkshake. Banana shake.
Okay.
Milkshake?
Hi, Shorty. Just a shake.
Just a shake. There's a difference, I guess.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Get the good side.
Oh, the good side? Okay. Profile.
It's gonna be like a Rose and the Doctor kind of thing. Like they're gonna fall in love at the end, right? Yeah. Like, you should have stuck.
Good. I wouldn't say
I don't know. I haven't
I just got back home from rehearsal and I did see this comment earlier this afternoon today. It was pretty mean, Michael Werbovitz. That's a pretty mean comment. Jesus Christ. Says Victoria, please tell me what thrill do you get out of showing a haul that non-students or non-licensees cannot get. So if you ever do become licensed, you don't have to worry about me coming to your salon. Well, sir, this is a haul because I just want to show a haul everything that I bought from there. The thrill that I get about it, I don't really get a thrill. I just wanted to show people. And like, if nobody knows what you can get from stores like these, now you know. This pimple right here is upsetting me.
You know how the last time I checked my weight, I weighed 81.4, right?
Mm-hmm.
This morning when I checked my weight, I weighed 76.2.
Oh, snap, then what about me? I lost. Look at all the leaves on the floor.
So nice out.
It looks so pretty. Anyway, I lost my permit like an idiot. And so I'm walking to the bank to see if they have it because I don't actually remember if they gave it back or not.
Look at my hair.
I curled and trimmed Valerie's hair. Cute. Oh man, oh man. My mom went to go vote without me because I lost my permit and I'm trying to look for it. That's really important. Yeah, true, but this is still important. I need to find it. We're talking about Christmas right now, but the lady at the bank had my permit. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Valerie's hair looks cute.
So you're basically...
Hey guys, so I am going to be walking over to the library because my mom said that the place where you start to vote and stuff is at the library, so I'm going to be walking over there. And I texted Michael if he could pick me up over there because I will not have time to walk over there and then walk all the way back home because it's a little far from where I live. So yeah, and I'm walking over right now. I have a weird outfit on right now, but it looks so pretty outside. And it feels really nice, but I'm so glad I have this sweater on. It's Vanessa's. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna see you guys later. I cannot English. I'm gonna see you guys later and listen to music so that could help me focus and walk faster, I guess. I'm not sure if that'll help, but I think it might. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye. I have to be registered to vote, and I'm not registered. Aww. Next year. Man. I'm just going to study my script because I didn't get to study and memorize Act 2. I was planning on doing that, but I didn't get to do a lot of the things that I said I was trying to do this morning. Since today we don't have school, things don't go as planned, don't they? Anyway. I got back home from rehearsal and now I have to do homework. And I also promised to Skype Marlene, so I'm probably gonna Skype her while I'm doing homework. And while I eat, I just heated up a bowl of something. I'm gonna have a long night. Again. You might not even see me after this because I'm gonna be so tired. I'm gonna be meeting her tomorrow because she's gonna go to the cafe with me for my birthday lunch because we didn't do anything for my birthday. I don't usually do anything for my birthday, but she's making it into a birthday lunch. So yeah. Hey guys, it is 2:41. I just finished homework. Oh, I forgot to vlog Skyping Marlene. Dang it. But I Skyped her. And now I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 2:42 now. It's 2:42 now and I'm gonna go to bed. Also, I got a new band because I lost mine. It's Inside Out right now, which is dumb. But yeah, okay. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So today I'm heading off to school and I'm gonna be hanging out with Marlene today for my birthday. I love how every time I'm walking down the stairs and I'm wearing heels, I'm like trying to keep my balance like. Hey guys, so now I am going to be going to timeout and I am going to be meeting up with Marlene. Just finished my improv class. Yeah. I'm hungry now. I'd like to eat. Hey! Good, how are you?
Still don't act?
Yeah, I am. You should come and see the Valerie project.
Oh, when is it?
He told me kitty cat. She gave me this, and it makes noise, but oh, here we go. So cute. And then she got me this little cupcake and a present.
I need to record you this time.
We're about to eat. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy,
Finally got our
yummy, yummy, yummy.
We just finished eating and I finished eating. Yeah, I can't eat anymore. I'm falling into a food coma. I was gonna say a slip coma. I don't know what happened. More lashes. Do I have creasing? I don't think I primed my eyes. I'm not sure. Okay. We are trying to catch the bus, which we see right there. Hopefully it never leaves. Well, leave, but like not now. Wait till we're on it. Hey guys, so I stayed longer than usual in my math class. I was trying to finish my test today, but I failed that, and so I'm going to do a retest probably next time I go back to class. Mom was going to pick me up soon. I was going to stay longer, but then I decided not to. And I also plan on editing the vlog today so I can get that up, but I don't even know if that's going to happen. Maybe after rehearsal I'll edit it once I get home. I also have to do more things, but it's Thursday, and then on Sunday I have to upload the next vlog.
Instead of getting his muscles.
Hey guys.
Yeah, I mean, and yeah,
Season 1's on Netflix, and all of season 2 so far is on kWHYst.com.
I am editing right now in the morning. Oh yeah, I need to get this done, man. Also, my mom made food. There's fish underneath, and this is just the topping. Yummy, yummy. Valerie and Vanessa love to wait for each other to eat. I don't.
Why am I hot?
Because you walked.
Because you know how there's a hill around that Dunkin' Donuts thingy area?
Mm-hmm.
You have to go up that, and that is what tires use all your strength.
Oh man, I got the hiccups again. Oh my god. I think no. No. Got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. Hiccups. Another gift for Valerie came in the mail. Hey guys, so I had my mom braid my hair again. Second time. I only filled in my brows and put on a lippy thing. I curled my lashes, but I didn't put any mascara on it. I need to stay away from makeup. Well, not really, but like face makeup for now, because my skin needs to breathe. But this is like doing homework or something. I'm doing a new theme. Well, not a theme, a pattern. I keep calling it a theme, but it's not a theme, it's a pattern. I'm doing a new pattern on my Instagram page. You can check it out if you want. I posted one photo with my new pattern yesterday, and then today in the morning I just posted 2 more photos just to get my pattern going. I really want to start my new pattern, but I don't want to, like, you know, just bombard my followers with so many useless pictures just because of my pattern. So yeah, but if you want to check it out, you can check it out. It's at VTHAAM, VTAM. Hello, little squirrel. I am trying to find my Uggs and I can't find them. Right now I'm going to go to the bank because yesterday I received my bank card in the mail. When I got back home from rehearsal, I saw that there was mail in the mailbox, so I opened it and I saw that I got mail. I didn't know what it was because it didn't really say much on the outside of the letter and stuff, so I opened it and it was my bank card from my bank. And Lewis did say that it was going to arrive in like 5 to 7 business days. So I guess it was that. So I guess I got it. And yeah. So now I'm gonna go and activate my card so that I can use it. Okay. I will see you guys later. I'm really hating this pimple right now. This one right here and this one. going to be going downstairs because my mom's outside, and we're gonna go to my grandma's house. And then after that, we're just gonna go to the mall
To check out some
ideas for gifts and stuff, such and such.
such and such.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a little cold outside. Just a little bit. It's not like yesterday. Yesterday? Yeah, our downstairs neighbor.
Yesterday.
Whatever. I always say yesterday, so weird. Yesterday. They're always partying. Always.
Ow, my feet.
It's karaoke night every night. Well, every week. We're outside of my grandma's house in the backyard. And we were all sleeping. Were you sleeping, Valerie?
What?
Were you sleeping in the car?
Yeah, little.
We were all sleeping in the car except for my mom, of course, because she's driving. Yeah, I'm so tired. This is tired. I'm so quiet. Okay.
Hạt chanh phép ngọt rê canh nhân không có.
Lucky.
And of course, he followed me to the room,
Lucky. Lucky.
completely ignoring Valerie. Oh, there you go. Aha, and he came to me. No.
No, he just wants to show the camera. Show the camera, Lucky. Lucky, show the camera. Yep. Work it.
Work it. Work it.
His leg is on.
It's a glowing fountain. It's beautiful.
Oh my god, and we stopped. It's so beautiful. Let me zoom in. Oh my. Egg
We are going into the mall now. So I was gonna open this box, this mystery box. What does it have? Hi guys, how are you?
Welcome to
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Doing good. What's bringing you in today?
Not much. We're just looking around.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Pit stop.
Jeez. Okay.
So I'm watching this girl talking about this More Hiccups Soul of Summer palette.
Oh my gosh, Ricky!
Did you fart?
It's coming from you.
It was not from me. No, it came from you, wasn't it? It was Valerie.
You blaming me for the smell of my butt?
Ew.
It came from that side.
No.
It came from that side.
It came from you.
No, it did
Wait
not.
a moment.
I looked at Valerie because I thought I heard it from her side.
I did not fart. It's probably the chair then. Like, eek.
So who farted?
It's probably my chair then.
Not a chair fart. That's so funny.
It's not funny.
It's cool.
Oh my god. It makes the pizza.
It's a pizza box.
It looks like a pizza box.
And it makes a pizza.
What the heck? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Look at it right here, guys, when it's closed. When it's open.
I've
Ooh,
always
the
wanted-
onions, the tomatoes.
That's pepperoni.
It's a
We got a tomato. Was that right? In black. Tomato. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You got that lost.
And the dog.
I don't like that. It's a real dog. Oh, not a real dog.
It's s'mores. Campfire.
Oh my gosh. You know what I want? That thingy that Gukju had to grill the beef.
meat grill?
I love it.
Oh, so I just found out now that officially my favorite food is like pasta, bread, and potatoes. I would think like mikatang or something, but
I thought it's always been like pasta stuff. Cause you said it before.
yeah, I started to like it at that time, I guess. But it's my favorite because I tend to want to eat pastas and crave for it.
My 10
And potatoes, I love potatoes.
My 10 and 1 inch puts more ho 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 in your
I
holidays.
want some bread right now.
What is
Some
this?
biscuits. Is it like a fryer?
So Morphe came out with this Soul of Summer palette, even though we're going into winter. But it looks so beautiful. Look at that.
Beautiful.
And look at the swatches. Oh my gosh. Heaven. But I decided not to get it because they're all shimmer shadows.
Potatoes here.
There are no mattes whatsoever. I mean, if a girl wants to go all shimmer all over her lid, go ahead, girl. You do you. But not me.
Oh, potato
peeler. You could put till anything.
Oh, potato
peeler. You could put till anything. You could put till anything. You could put till anything.
Right now, it is 12:01 a.m. Gosh, my pimple looks bad. I am ordering online Christmas gifts right now. 12:02 a.m. November 8th. Placing the order now. Oh my god, I did it. Like I didn't realize that. I don't know why I didn't realize because I know there were stairs there, but I just tried to go backwards, but the stairs blocked my foot and I still kept trying to go backwards and I fell. And Josh was like, "Did you just fall?" while I'm on the floor.